This is the ship on our port side, sailing away. I think right now the time is almost 4 o'clock, but we are still here in the port, and this one ship is passing by. It's the Horizon. So we are still here in the port of Miami. There's that other ship, MSC. By the way, we are sailing on Icon of the Seas. According to Mr. Google, it's the biggest ship right now. So again, there's that other ship passing by. There are people standing there watching as the ship goes by. Anyway, that's it for now.